Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the secrets the moon holds? This celestial orb, a constant companion in our sky, has been a source of fascination and inquiry throughout human history. From ancient civilizations marking time with its phases, to modern scientists probing its surface for clues about our universe, the moon has always held a special place in our collective consciousness. But even with all we've learned, there are still enduring mysteries that continue to captivate scientists. How did the moon form? What causes the strange phenomena that we observe on its surface? And what can these mysteries teach us about our own planet and the broader cosmos? These questions and more have driven lunar exploration and research for centuries. So buckle up, space enthusiasts. Join us as we journey through centuries of lunar exploration and science, unraveling the mysteries of our celestial neighbor. How did our moon come into existence? The most widely accepted theory is the giant impact hypothesis. Picture this. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body named Theia collided with the young Earth. This catastrophic impact sent a tremendous amount of matter into space. Over time, this debris gradually coalesced to form our moon. It's a violent birth story, isn't it? But it doesn't end there. This theory, while compelling, isn't without its challenges. It's difficult to explain why the moon and Earth have such similar compositions, as collision models predict a moon primarily made from Theia's material. Also, there's the issue of the moon's angular momentum. It's a complex puzzle, and despite many pieces fitting nicely, some just don't seem to match. But the mystery of the moon's formation is far from solved. There are still puzzles that scientists are trying to piece together. Have you noticed that the moon's surface is not as uniform as it seems? This celestial body, so familiar and yet so distant, is adorned with an array of peculiarities that have kept scientists on their toes. Unusual features, such as craters with unique shapes and formations, dot the lunar landscape, captivating our curiosity. For instance, the moon houses craters within craters, a sight that is both fascinating and puzzling. How did these nested craters come to be? One theory suggests that a meteorite impact might have triggered a collapse in the lunar surface, forming a crater within a crater. Similarly, the moon showcases a variety of terrains, from flat maria to highlands riddled with mountains and valleys. These variations reflect the geological processes that have shaped the moon over billions of years. Volcanic activity, tectonic movements, and meteor impacts have all left their mark, creating a mosaic of anomalies. These surface anomalies are a testament to the moon's dynamic past and present. Did you know that the moon harbors water, a vital resource for life as we know it? The discovery of lunar water ice was a game-changer for space scientists worldwide. For years, the moon was thought to be a barren and inhospitable place, devoid of one of life's essential ingredients. But the detection of water ice, particularly at the moon's poles, turned that presumption on its head. This discovery doesn't just rewrite textbooks, it has far-reaching implications for future space exploration. Water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, providing both breathable air and rocket fuel. Imagine a lunar pit stop for spacecraft, refueling and resupplying before venturing deeper into the cosmos. Moreover, the presence of water could open doors to the possibility of future lunar habitats, where astronauts could live and work for extended periods. This could enable a more profound understanding of our celestial neighbor. The presence of water on the moon could revolutionize our understanding of lunar geology and future space exploration. Do you know about the mysterious flashes and glows on the moon's surface? Welcome to the world of lunar transient phenomena, or LTP, an enigmatic spectacle that continues to puzzle astronomers. These are unexplained flashes, glows, or changes in brightness that sporadically occur on the moon's surface. Documented by observers and even captured by space probes, these phenomena take various forms. Some appear as points of light that momentarily brighten then fade. Others manifest as reddish or bluish glows, or even as patches of haze. Theories abound as to what might cause these transient events. Some suggest they could be produced by gas escaping from the moon's interior or by the impact of micrometeorites. Others propose they might result from electrostatic discharges, similar to our earthly lightning, triggered by the intense solar radiation the moon endures. These transient phenomena remind us that the moon is not as inactive as it appears. What have we learned about the moon and what mysteries remain? Our celestial neighbor has always been a source of fascination, offering us a wealth of scientific insights while still cloaking itself in layers of enigma. We've discussed its formation, and though the giant impact hypothesis is widely accepted, there are still questions left unanswered. The Moon's surface is a canvas of peculiarities, with its craters and formations baffling scientists. We've also touched upon the discovery of water ice on the Moon, a revelation that holds promising implications for future space explorations. The unexplained flashes and glows, known as lunar transient phenomena, add to the Moon's mystique, leaving us with more questions than answers. As we continue to probe the Moon's secrets, each revelation takes us one step closer to understanding the complex workings of the universe. As we continue to explore and study the Moon, we can look forward to unraveling more of its mysteries and deepening our understanding of the universe.